Hello everyone, welcome to my lesson. Today we are going to learn how to draw the 3D object by using 3D shapes. So first of all we will start with this is our reference photo and we are utilizing these 3D objects by using 3D shapes. So we will utilize 3D shapes like a cylinder and above like a cone. Okay, so let's get started with the cylinder first. First of all, let's draw the ellipse. Draw another ellipse below this ellipse. So we'll connect both ellipses. So this is the cylinder. As you can see, this is the bottom part of the 3D objects bottle, and this is the shape of the bottom part of the bottle. So we are going to draw another cone above this ellipse. So let's draw the ellipse first, and we'll draw another ellipse, small ellipse. So we'll connect both. This is the part top part of the bottle, as you can see in the object. So our basic shapes is done, and let's connect both object each other. This is the neck of the bottle. And let's do for another side. So you can make a correction, like if suppose top part is not similar to object, so you can make a correction to that part. You can draw like this. So this is the basic fundamental shape to draw any objects. Okay, so we will draw another objects, same type of bottle, but shape is different. Okay, so let's get started. First off, as you can see in the left side, we have another shape of the bottle. So first of all, we will draw one ellipse in bottom part. And another ellipse in a middle of the shape. You can see, and let's connect both of the each other. We'll draw now this is the neck of the bottle, and let's draw the small ellipse above this big ellipse, another ellipse above the top, and let's connect each other. Sometimes you can make a correction, small correction if you need. Let's attach both of the part of the neck. And we will draw another a small object in top of the bottle. As you can see, this is top part of the bottle shape. So as you can see, this is the basic shapes you can draw in and you can try this by utilizing small basic shapes of the bottle. So by using this practice you can draw any 3D shapes and you can draw any object. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone.